Welcome to Vicky's Craft Show again. And today I'm gonna tell you how to make a box with a picture inside. You can give it to your mom, friends, or other person that you like. And this is like a door when it's not opened, and you open it. When you open it, it turns out results like a box. So I'm going to teach you how to. First, you're going to have a little white square of paper. Then you're going to have a big green paper. And then we're going to fold it like a rectangle. And then do a triangle. And do another triangle. And do a rectangle that's already not folded. After the results should be like this. And then we're going to fold one part to the middle, and you're going to fold one part in the middle too. So the result should be like this. And then we're going to let go these two, and they're going to make two lines. And we're going to fold one of the parts here to here. And do the same thing on the other side. Don't let it go. You need to fold the lines like this again. The result should be like this. And of course, you need to fold the parts again. And then you're gonna turn the part here to the center. And do the same thing on the right. And the result should be like this. And then hardly press it into the other center. And it should turn like this. And then you see these three lines here. You need to follow one of the lines in the edge and put it in the center. And do the other thing on the left. And do you see the top part? Do the same thing. Fold it to the center. And the result should be like this. And you need to fold one of the top part to the down to match. And the result should be pretty much like this. And then we're going to do the same thing. So follow the center. So do this and hardly press it down. And do the same thing on the other side. And then you're going to flip it, and the result should be like this. It's almost amazing, the box, but it doesn't just get you this. You have to draw the I heart you. That means I love you. And then we're going to open it. Voila! There's going to be an empty box. If you want to, you can draw some pictures for your mom or friends. First, you're going to measure. Is the white piece good? Yes, it is. Then we're going to draw whatever you want in there. But I just want to draw the things that I explained to you. You can use pencil crayons or crayons, markers. You can use markers too, but markers can go through the paper. So you will need like a red crayon if you want to make the heart. And then we're gonna use you. We're gonna spell you. If you don't know how to spell you, then follow me. I'll teach you. So Y. If you want to do it in bubble letters, you can. O. U. U. See? Then you're gonna put the photo that you draw a picture in your box. And then open the box. It fit in perfectly. Bye guys! I'm gonna end the video right now. But please sure to smash on the bell and please give it a like if you like this, and please subscribe if you want to. Bye! Next time, I have other videos, like Vicky's art craft story, the animal ones, and please ring the bell if you want other videos to come out, and let us know if you like it. Bye!